you by the amazing people. Here we go. Let's count them down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send them to Pendum. Oh, we've already got parts falling off. We've got some end games on the 16 machine. Look at that machine. The 16 machine coming in, hitting the 69. Here he comes. What a shot into the front end of the 16, taking off huge chunks of the 16. I want to hear you guys cheering as loud as you can. 69 is under the count. The 69 is under the count. Making a hit. The 78 taking out the front of the 69. The number 17 under the count. The number 17 under the count. What a shot! The 69 looking like he just blew some lines. Looks like he just blew some coolant. Looks like he is out. The 69 looks like he is out. Giving a thumbs up. looking like the 16